A heart of a newborn baby beats between 120 and 160 times a minute, twice the rate of an adult, between 60 and 80 times a minute. Your heart rate gradually slows down as you grow. Your heart gets stronger with exercise. You need lots of oxygen to pump blood around the body. In 1 year, your heart beats more than 30 million times. Your heart pushes over 3 million quarts of blood. In an average lifetime, a heart will beat over 2,000 million times. Don't forget that when you grow up, your heart pumps 2,000 gallons per day. The end.
Papercut Theater presents Parts of the Brain by John and Raymond. The adult brain weighs as much as a bag of flour. Here's a person with a brain, a spinal cord, and there is also a cerebrum. Here's a skull with a brain, a spinal cord, and the midbrain, and the cerebrum. This is the side of the brain. You can see the midbrain. This is the front of the brain, and the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. This is the brain on the spinal cord, and the middle is the midbrain. This is the inside of the brain, and it feels bumpy. The texture might be bumpy. Now you have learned. We're going to tell you how you can take care of your brain. Do not take drugs. Steroids are bad for your brain. I don't need steroids. Wear a helmet. On the left, you could die. On the right, you might not die. The end.
Papercut Theater presents The Brain by Adriana and Haley. Did you know an adult's brain is the size of a large pack of flour? Wow! If you think about the size of your head, your brain is half of your head. Half of my head? Wow, that's cool! Your brain is like a sponge. It's pink and gray. More than 3/4 of your brain is made of water. Wow, 3/4 of my brain is filled with water.
Your skull supports your brain. Without your skull, it would be like a sack of jelly. Your brain has two thinking parts called your cerebellum. Your brain is powerful enough that it can power up a light bulb. Wow! If you think of something like how to jump rope, your cerebellum starts to work. Also, if you move, your cerebellum helps. Your cerebellum helps your muscles work smoothly. It helps you balance. I can balance. Well, I can walk. Your brainstem controls your body. My brainstem tells me to wave high. Your brain is responsible for your heartbeat. My brain's responsible for my heartbeat. Your brainstem controls your breathing and eating. Did you know that a long-term memory is something you can remember for a long time? Short-term memory is something that you won't remember for a long time. My best friend is Sarah. What did I have for dinner last night? Short-term, long-term. When you sleep or do anything, your brain is sending you signals back and forth. When you go to the hospital, those wave things are your brain waves. Wow! We learned a lot about the brain and what amazing things your brain does. I learned a lot about the brain, like what cool things your brain does. La and Papercut Theater presents Amazing Genes by Avery. Genes are in your body, and that's what you inherit. Genes make sure that bone cells go different from cells and from nerve cells. Did you know that all living things have genes? Each cell in the human body contains about 25,000 to 35,000 genes which carries information. Genes hang out all lines up on a thread called chromosomes. They give you eye color and a whole lot of things. When you inherit, your genes are getting passed down like directions. They tell you what you look like. DNA and genes come packaged in thread-like structures called chromosomes. Genes get passed down from parents to children and to organisms. Remember, cells grow different from nerve cells. Here is a picture of a chromosome. The end.